You know that future that pops up in your mind where you are living all your dreams and more. And when you think about it, it makes your heart skip a bit and you go, damn, can I even achieve that? Well, I just got a response from your future self. Let's see what it says. Dear me, you've always had what it takes. You are far more capable than you give yourself credit for. Those dreams of the future you have, they are your potential calling out to you. But the thing is, you have to go for it with everything you have in you. You will face challenges, sure, but those struggles, they will mold you, sharpen you, and bring you closer to the life you've always wanted. Will you dare chase that life? Because if you do, I'll be right here waiting for you.